Hi guys, so I'm just doing a quick unboxing on my new pochette métis. I did just get it in the mail and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. I actually have already opened it, but I'm just gonna show you guys parts of the bag. So here we are. So I already had it open because I was too excited, but this bag is just so beautiful. It still has the little sticker, which I think is lovely. I've never had that experience with a bag before. Has the back zipper, which is kind of roomy, I feel like. Let's see. So you could probably fit your phone. Zipper is very smooth. Has that top handle. And those buttons and open right up. It did come with this information. It shows it was made in the USA. Just shows that it's the pochette métis and the item number. It also comes with this beautiful strap, which is probably my favorite feature of the bag. And it's pretty spacious. It has 3 slots for you to put your things in. And you just go ahead and snap it right back in. It obviously also comes with this lovely dust bag for you to store if you're not using, which is just the basic Louis Vuitton dust bag. This is just the receipt. I actually, this is just the receipt information. This bag ran for like $2,360 before tax. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. This is a gorgeous bag. I would definitely recommend it. I probably will do a 3-month review after I've used it. So thank you guys for watching.